क्रीडा आपल्याला एकत्र आणते, कला आपल्याला ताकद देते, संस्कृती आपल्याला जोडते.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. A huge round of applause to these little performers. And thank you for gracing us, Neeta ma'am. Welcome to this grand and glorious occasion, Neeta ma'am. Neeta ma'am, आपने हमेशा से ही एक सपना देखा है कि इंडिया को हर फील्ड में नंबर 1 बनाने का. स्पोर्ट्स, कल्चर, एजुकेशन, हर जगह देश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए आपने अपना सब कुछ दिया है. आपकी मेहनत और विजन हम सब के लिए बहुत बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन है. वी थैंक यू फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ आवर हार्ट्स, नीता मैम. एंड आई हैव सीन यू वर्किंग राउंड द क्लॉक टायरलेसली फॉर योर फाउंडेशन. हर भारतीय आपके काम को देखकर इंस्पायर्ड है. बट आप बताएं, आपको इतना सब कुछ करने की इंस्पिरेशन कहां से मिलती है?
Ranveer, thank you for your very kind words. And a heartfelt thank you to all the girls who performed so beautifully and gracefully tonight. Let's give them a big round of applause. They are backstage, so the louder it is, the better. My greatest inspiration is India and all the people of India. The dreams of 1.4 billion Indians gives me the strength and the inspiration to do all that I do. जो प्यार, जो सम्मान, जो अपनापन हमारे देश में है, वो दुनिया में और कहीं नहीं. Standing here tonight in the presence of our valiant soldiers, our courageous police, and the families of our brave martyrs, I feel profoundly humbled. There can be no greater sacrifice than the sacrifice of those who laid their lives for their nation, who gave up their today so that India can have a safer tomorrow. For all the martyrs of 26/11, of Pahalgam, of any terror attacks, our hearts will forever be full of gratitude and deep respect. To all of them and their families, I bow my head in reverence. आप है तो देश आज़ाद है, आप है तो भारत सलामत है. आप सबको मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम. Tonight, in the presence of all of us here, let's all take a pledge to eliminate terrorism, not just from our country, but from the face of our entire world.
That's a beautiful message, Neeta ma'am. मुझे आपसे ये भी पूछना है that in a world that feels increasingly divided, what gives you hope for a more united and peaceful future?
Our children give me hope. Our youth gives me hope. They are the future of India. I dream of an India where every young girl and boy has equal opportunity. The right to education, the right to sport, to healthcare, and to infrastructure. When our girls win, every girl child, every woman wins. When our youth shines, India rises. Just this month, our women's team created history by winning their first ever ICC World Cup. Our 2 champion girls are right here. Dipti Sharma and Renuka Singh. Please give them a big round of applause.
World champions, ladies and gentlemen.
मैं उस रात वहीं थी जब भारत की बेटियों की जीत में सारा देश खुशी से झूम उठा था. Congratulations. That's why I say sport unites us, art heals us, culture brings heart and nations closer. क्रीडा आपल्याला एकत्र आणते, कला आपल्याला ताकद देते, संस्कृती आपल्याला जोडते. These are India's timeless gifts to the world. Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind.
That was beautifully put, Neeta ma'am.